Have you ever wondered if the stars influence the success of your marriage? Does your zodiac sign hold the secret to your compatibility? Or is astrology just a fun myth? In this video, we're diving deep into the intriguing question: does astrology affect marriage? We'll explore the role of zodiac signs, compatibility charts, and even planetary influences that might shape your married life. Stick around to the end, because we'll reveal the top 3 zodiac pairings said to have the happiest marriages, and one surprising match that might defy all expectations. Astrology has been a guiding force in relationships for centuries, especially in cultures where matchmaking and marriage are taken seriously. In Vedic astrology, for example, birth charts are compared in detail to ensure harmony between two people. Even in modern astrology, many couples consult compatibility charts, or synastry, to see how their personalities and emotional needs align. Astrology highlights the strengths, challenges, and potential growth areas in a relationship, offering a roadmap for navigating marriage. But let's be honest, not everyone believes in the stars. Critics argue that astrology is too general to predict real-life dynamics. However, even skeptics can't deny the psychological insights astrology offers into personality traits and communication styles. So, how exactly does astrology claim to influence marriage? Let's break it down. Astrology groups the zodiac signs into 4 elements: fire, earth, air, and water. Each element represents a unique set of personality traits, and understanding these traits can shed light on how couples interact. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They're passionate, adventurous, and thrive on excitement. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Practical, grounded, and focused on building stability. Air signs: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Intellectual, communicative, and social butterflies. Water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Emotional, intuitive, and deeply connected to their feelings. Couples who share compatible elements such as water and earth or fire and air often have an easier time understanding each other. For example, a Leo and a Sagittarius might feed off each other's adventurous energy, while a Taurus and a Cancer could find comfort in their shared desire for stability. Most people focus on their sun signs, which represent their core personality, but astrologers argue that moon signs, governing emotions and inner needs, are just as important. For example, a fiery Aries sun might seem incompatible with a sensitive Cancer sun, but if their moon signs align, they may share a deep emotional connection. The moon sign represents how you handle emotional intimacy, a key factor in a successful marriage. Do you know your moon sign? Let us know in the comments below. It might just explain why you and your partner click or clash. But while compatibility is important, astrology also highlights potential challenges couples might face in marriage. Some zodiac pairings can struggle due to their differences. For instance, an independent Aquarius might find it hard to meet the emotional needs of a nurturing Cancer. A perfectionist Virgo might feel frustrated by the spontaneous, carefree nature of a Sagittarius. These differences don't mean the relationship is doomed. They simply require extra effort and understanding. Astrology also emphasizes the timing of major life events. For example, Saturn returns, which occur roughly every 29 years, are notorious for bringing challenges and growth. If a couple gets married during one partner's Saturn return, they might face extra stress in the early years of their marriage. Similarly, retrogrades, such as Venus retrograde, can lead to miscommunication or unresolved issues resurfacing. Being aware of these influences can help couples prepare for and navigate rocky periods. But astrology isn't just about highlighting problems. It can also be a powerful tool for creating a stronger, healthier marriage. Astrology can help couples understand their partner's communication style. For example, a Gemini might need open, constant dialogue to feel connected, while a Taurus may prefer slow, meaningful conversations. An Aries might be impulsive in expressing their feelings, while a Libra seeks balance and diplomacy. By recognizing these differences, couples can tailor their communication to better suit each other's needs. Understanding your partner's moon sign or Venus placement can reveal how they express and receive love. A Scorpio might crave deep, passionate intimacy, while an Aquarius may need freedom and intellectual connection. Knowing these traits can help you meet your partner where they are. Have you ever used astrology to understand your partner better? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how the stars have guided your love life. Now let's reveal the zodiac signs said to create the strongest marriages, and one surprise pairing that might shock you. These 2 water signs are deeply intuitive and emotionally connected. They prioritize family, home, and nurturing each other, making their bond almost unbreakable. Grounded and dependable, these earth signs share a love for stability and routine. Together, they build a solid foundation for a long-lasting marriage. This fiery pair thrives on adventure, passion, and mutual respect. Their relationship is full of excitement, making it one of the most vibrant pairings. At first glance, these two might seem incompatible. Scorpio's intensity contrasts with Aquarius's free-spirited nature. But when they work together, their differences create a magnetic and transformative connection. So, does astrology affect marriage? While it can't guarantee success or predict every challenge, it provides a valuable framework for understanding yourself and your partner. By highlighting strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth, astrology can help couples navigate the complexities of married life with greater empathy and insight. Which zodiac pairing do you think is the strongest? Or do you have a story of an unlikely match that worked out? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. In our next video, we'll uncover the zodiac signs most likely to find true love in 2025. See you soon.